constants, we are going to take the derivative of this. So ano ba yung derivative niya? So apply tayo dito ng product rule. Diba? Dito product rule. So if you're going to get the derivative of this one, of cxy, the result is this term. Ito yung derivative niya. At saka itong derivative ng c squared x, so since c is constant, we are going to take only the derivative of x, which is 1. So ito yung result. Derivative ng 4 is 0, so that is equal to 0. So assuming that c is not equal to 0, kailangan hindi natin yan is 0, kasi pag 0 yan, magiging undefined yung ating equation. 4 equals 0 is undefined. Hindi, not possible, not equal. Then solving for c from this equation, the result is the quantity of negative quantity of y plus c xy prime. Ganyan. Mayroon tayong c squared dito, mayroon tayong c. So, ang next step dyan is let us divide both sides by c. Para ang naiwan dyan is y plus x, y prime plus c is equal to 0. Thus, our c becomes the quantity of the negative quantity of y plus xy prime. What is next? What would be our next step? So, since we know now the value of c, we are going to substitute this to our original equation. Yan. Diyan natin substitute. The substitute into the original equation lead us to the result. Pag substitute natin diyan, the result is x cubed quantity y prime squared plus x squared y prime plus 4 equals 0. So, kayo na yan mag-i-simplify niyan. So, any questions so far about the eliminations of arbitrary constants? So, we have their exercises problem or problem exercises that we have. So, in each of the following, eliminate the arbitrary constant. So, mayroon na itong answer. No? That would give us your practice. Yan. Mayroon na dyan. Ito na yung answer. Ang problemahin nyo, yung solusyon. So, ito. Dami, di ba? So, any questions so far about the eliminations of arbitrary constants before we proceed to the families of curves? So, none. So, let's proceed. Families of curves. So, an equation involving a parameter as well as one or both of the coordinates of a point in a plane may represents a family of curves. So, one curve corresponding to its value of the parameter. For instance, the equation quantity x minus c squared plus y minus c squared is equal to 2c squared, or x squared plus y squared minus 2c quantity x plus y equals 0 may be interpreted as the equation of family of circles. Family of circles. Each having its center on the line y is equal to x. It's passing through the origin. Figure 1 shows several elements or members of this family. So, mag-iba, no? Every time that you are going to assign values for C, mag-iba yung equation ng circle natin. So, this one. Ito yung figure na magawa natin. So, if the constant C in equation 1 or equation 2 is treated as an arbitrary constant and delimited as in preceding section, the result is called the differential equation. Ito, differential equations of the family represented by equation 1. So in this example, the elimination of C is easily performed by isolating C. Then differentiating throughout the equation with respect to x, thus true from, so we find that x plus y, quantity 2x dx plus y dy, minus the quantity of x squared plus y squared times the quantity of dx plus dy all over x plus y squared equals 0. Ma-eliminate na natin itong constant dito by taking the first derivative. So ano ba itong sa left side natin of the quantity? What technique of differentiation that we apply here? We apply quotient rule. So quotient rule states that the derivative of uv is equals to v du minus u dv all over v squared. Ito na. So, ito yung v natin. If you are going to assign this as our u, ito. This is our u. Sa ibaba, this is our v. So, x plus y, v du. So, the derivative of u natin is 2x dx plus 2y dy minus yung u natin, the quantity of x squared plus y squared times the derivative of x plus y, which is dx plus dy all over. So, yan. Ito na yung ating differential equations. So, therefore, x squared plus 2xy minus y squared dx minus the quantity of x squared minus 2xy minus y squared dy equals 0 is the differential equations of the family of circles represented by equation 1. Note that equation 3 associates a definite slope with its point xy in the plane. So our dy dx, so solve natin yung dy dx natin is equal to x plus 2xy minus y squared all over x squared minus 2xy minus y squared. So, di ba? Sa introductory part natin, this is our m of xy. This is our n, which is equal to m over n. So, except where the derivative on the right in equation 4 vanishes, when the derivative vanishes, the curve passing through the point must have a vertical tangent from. So, meaning it will become vanish yan, it is equal to 0. So, ano ba yung y natin dyan? Ito being for y in terms of x, that will be the result. So, i-apply natin dito ng quadratic QF. Solving for y in terms of x. So in figure 2, the straight lines 5 and 6 appear along with the family 1. It is said that the lines 5 and 6 cut the members of the family of circles in precisely those points of vertical tangency. So ito na yung isa. Value ng y natin, this one. Itong line na yan. At ito naman, ito. Center at y is equal to x, passing through. Yan. So we have example A, find the differential equations of the family of parabola. Figure 3. Having their vertices at the origin and their foci on the y-axis. So an equation of this family of parabola is y is equal to ex squared. So that yung derivative niya is y prime is equal to 2ex. It follows that, so i-eliminate natin yung A. It follows that. So ito, 7 and 8, multiply lang natin ito ng 2. Or we are going to multiply this by negative 2. And add to
may harap mo ano. Makortara dito. Wala mo ito sila.
Okay, multiply natin yan ng 2. Ito, i-multiply natin ng x. So, equation 7 should be multiplied by the negative of 2. At saka yung equation 8, i-multiply natin ng x. At saka i-add. We are going to add 7 and 8. Ito yung result. Yan ang result. After, i-erase muna natin. Equation 8 should be multiplied with erase muna. Multiplied with negative 2. Ito, multiply natin ng x. Then, after that, add. This would be the result. So, it's the differential equations of the family. And we note that 9 is the first order linear differential equations.
Kung baka sila to, pagbalik, mas control.
Example B, find the differential equations of family of circles. Figure 4, having the centers at the origin. Ano ba yung equation ng circle natin? This would be, ito yung
balik sa akong 200.
Equation natin, because member of the family of circles of this example, we have its center everywhere on the y-axis.
Colorado.
And its radius of any magnitude, and we are dealing with two parameter family. Ano ba yung mga variable ang eliminate natin? So, eliminate natin itong B at saka R. Itong mga parameters na to.
Wait lang.
So, since we have two arbitrary constants, we have our second derivative or second